I've got one here 8 feet long, and then at the lower level 3 feet. Here's the unit, purchased at Home Depot, 30 inches in length, 240 volt. I'll put a link in the description. I'll use the smaller unit to demonstrate the wiring on each side. It differs between the two, and it will be the same process for the longer unit. So we'll remove the electrical cover. The right side is the easiest. You would have your house current from the breaker panel coming through one of these openings with a Romex, and normally you'd have 3 wires. 2 wires would be 120 volts on each leg, either red and black. Sometimes they use the white. I'll cover that later. And then a bare ground wire, which goes on this lug. So you would snip this and put 120 volts to this wire and 120 to this one. And then you're done. And then the thermostat will turn the unit on and off. We'll move to the left side. The left side looks a bit confusing. However, when you break it down, it's quite simple. The rule of thumb is you find a loop that comes off the top and goes to the bottom, and snip that and put your 120 leg here and 120 volts here, and then your ground, and then you're done. Unit will work. And this one is the loop that carries power through the heating element. Here it states if you're using a built-in thermostat, you go to that procedure, and then this section is the procedure for a wall thermostat, which is what I'm using. Then you follow this diagram. The blue pointer represents the factory wire you do not cut. A and B is the power coming from your breaker panel, 120 volts each leg. So I'm going to swap the wires and show that diagram. This is the wire you do not cut, and these 2 wires get the power from the breaker panel. So we can tuck that in there and just use these if you're using this side. However, I'll be using the right side. So I can put this back in place. It has a small hole here, not sure what that's for. You want to use the larger one, and it just slips underneath, lined up with your hole here, and put your screw in. Here's the wall thermostat. If you'd like to see this process of wiring this unit, I have 3 videos explaining it a little bit differently, each one, to shed a bit more light. However, you get the same results. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this helps someone. That was a short excerpt from a longer video of how to install the baseboard units that I showed in the beginning of this video. If you'd like to watch that, or how to install a Sputnik light, I'll provide a link